How can I harness the power of AI to respond to my customers' concerns? Hi, this is Elliot from Workload. In this video, we'll be building a workflow starting with a new email in Gmail. Then we'll be using the AI wizard by Workload in order to format a response to send as an email in Gmail. All right, let's build a workflow. So we're going to start here, as always, at the workload editor, and we're going to give our workflow a title. So this is going to be Gmail to Gmail with a wizard. And I'm going to start by clicking on my trigger box. And this is going to be in Gmail. And my event is going to be the new email trigger. Make sure you click on this event in order to have a workflow that triggers the new email response. I want to make sure I'm connected to my Gmail account. If you have any questions about logging into your Gmail account, please see the blog in the description. And we will test our trigger. And we have a response. So we received a new email. And we're going to use this to build our workflow. So I'm going to click continue. And for my first action step, I'm actually going to use one of our tools. So I'm going to click on our tools icon. And I'm going to select the AI wizard by Workload. And we are going to use the event of prompt your data. So the input data is going to come from that email step. I'm going to click inside the drop-down menu, and I'm going to select the message of my email. And for a prompt, I'm going to type in, analyze this email and provide a response that is friendly and professional. I'm going to click continue. And then I'm going to test the action. So I got an AI-generated response. Hello, thank you for reaching out. I apologize for the inconvenience you have experienced with your order. To address this issue, please provide me with your order number so I can investigate further and assist you in resolving this matter. Thank you for your patience and understanding. So that sounds professional, sounds nice to me. So I'm happy with that being my response. So I'm going to click continue. I'm going to add a step by clicking on the plus sign, and I'm going to use Gmail again. And for the event, I'm going to send email new. So I'm going to use the send email with new in parentheses. Make sure I'm connected to Gmail still. For the to, I'm going to look inside of that step one new email trigger. And that's going to be the sender. The subject, I'm also going to pull from that step one. That's going to be the subject of the original email. And then the body, I'm going to pull from that step two and click on the response. Then I'm going to click continue, and I'm going to test my action. And we have successfully sent a response. So I'm going to click continue here. I'm going to look over at my Gmail, and now we have that email that was sent in response to the initial concern. So it looks like our workflow is working properly. We can come back over to the workload editor and check to make sure there's a green dot in each of my nodes. Then I can activate my workflow by clicking on the switch here. And now whenever I receive a new email, AI will craft a response and then send it through Gmail. That's how I can use Workload to build a workflow that takes advantage of our AI wizard to create a response to a customer concern in Gmail. Please make sure to like this video, or click here to subscribe to our channel, or click here to get more content from Workload about how to make your business practices flow more smoothly. And I'll see you next time.